Hello and hi friends, my name is Shiraz Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and fix this issue of Windows 10. Registry Edit will not open in Windows 10. Reg Edit was not working in Windows 10. We can fix this issue by following few steps itself on Windows 10. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to type CMD. Now you have to run the CMD as an administrator. For that you have to right click on this. Then afterward you have to click on run an administrator. Then click on yes. Now you have to type few commands. Command is like that: sfc space / can now. Then press enter. Now you can see that beginning system scan has been started. This process will take some time. So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. You have to wait for it. Once the verification would complete, then you have to restart your PC. Now you can see that verification 1% complete. It will definitely take around 20 minutes. You have to patiently wait for this. Once the process will done, you have to restart your PC and see that your problem will definitely be fixed. So hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If the problem still exists, then you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.